Good morning, everybody. What we happen to have again on our test stand is a nice naughty 340 Chrysler engine. This gentleman, Steve, contracted us to build him his original block 340, asked to get us about 400 horsepower. I think we achieved it by about 30 horsepower. Nice torque right off idle. Steve is standing next to me. He just got done seeing a dyno pull. I have a couple of questions to ask Steve. Steve, what do you think of the looks of this motor?
Absolutely incredible. Like I told you before, Doug, it isn't just the motor that I bought. This is really a piece of art, and I can't wait to see it back in my car. Unbelievably impressed with the performance on the dyno today, too.
Thank you.
Well worth the wait.
You like the looks of it?
Incredible. It's even greater than I expected it today. It really is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you know, like I said, what I like to do for everybody when they, to build these motors is to do videos and show everybody online what we're capable of doing. Because there's a lot of engine builders out there. They might build the engines, but they don't dyno every engine.
No.
And if you don't dyno and pull, because like I said, you can idle a motor all day long, may not ever drip of, water or oil. You start firing them up, put a load on them, that's when the magic comes in.
And without the dyno, you'll never know what you have.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what, another thing is I'm so glad you talked me into going with the electronic fuel injection. I was going to go with the carburetor, and I'm so glad I decided to go with this instead. Great job.
What I'd like to tell one more thing to customers, or future customers, we run through exhaust pipes. When you go to most shops, big dyno, guys are dyno motors, they say open headers horsepower. This probably takes 50 horsepower off the engine, just running through an exhaust system. I don't think a lot of guys know that, because if you were to just put a big pipe on this, free-flowing exhaust, this ain't free-flowing, we have exhaust hooked up. So this is real deal horsepower you're getting.
Yep, absolutely.
And again, I back all my work up with a couple of year warranty. How could you go wrong?
You can't go wrong. Incredible. Great job. I'm very happy. Thank you.
All right, God bless. All right, Steve, I have your 73 Plymouth Duster here. Happens to be your original 340 block, remachined with all new internals and externals, and we're gonna fire it up and give you a demo pull.